With our cluster set up, we can now initialize our Next.js project. I'll switch to GitHub, where I have a template you could use. Go to github.com/malgamviz/next-vector-search base course, and we'll clone this project in our terminal. So git clone. And after cloning your repo, navigate into it, next-vector-search base course, and we'll run npm install to install project dependencies. And before we can start our application, we'll open it up in VS Code. With our project open in VS Code, we can go back into our terminal and start our project with npm run dev. We'll copy the URL. Our project on localhost 3004 says hello to RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. We have pre-built components to make following this course easier. And so we'll navigate to VS Code. And in our app folder, in page.tsx, we can change this message to say hello to RAG in Weaviate. We also have the added benefit of pre-made components, as I mentioned, and we can import those by, we want to import loading, for example, and it automatically gets imported at the top. And when we go and check our page, we see the loading indicator appearing. And that's how we set up our Next.js project to run RAG with Weaviate.